Nation, what up? Up in here, man. Back up in here with another one, man. Y'all see I'm outside with it on, man. Dig what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I told y'all, I'm calling to tell y'all, man. I meant what I said, man. When I said what I said, man. The grind is not finna slow down. The grind is not finna stop. Man, we finna turn the grind up, man. Hey, look. Y'all just seen that I had ordered the hats yesterday, right? Well, not ordered the hats. I just picked up my hat shipment yesterday. I'm taking these to be shipped, man. All the hats gone except for the skull caps. Oh, hold on. I got another one back here. All of those are gone, man. They are gone. I'm on my way to the post office right now, man, to ship these out, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, look, man, I appreciate everybody supporting me, man. Like, y'all don't even understand, man. Like, it's amazing to me, man. You know what I'm saying? The amount of support I'm getting. Man, just thank y'all. Just, man, y'all are greatly appreciated, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see I got the hoodie on. Man, please go to the site, man. Y'all know I had to get me a hat. You know what I'm saying? Man, please go to the site. Man, belonation.creator-spring.com, man. Yeah, that's belonation.creator-spring.com. Put it down here, man, so y'all can see that. Man, go on over to the website, man. Man, grab your shirt, grab your hoodie, man. I'm thinking about putting them zip-up hoodies on there, man. You know what I'm saying? Thinking about putting them zip-up hoodies on there. Zip-up jackets. You know what I'm saying? And, yeah, man, we're going to move forward with that. Trying to get the website together, man. Still ain't found nobody to finish my website for me. But I'm going to do that. And, yeah. So, man, let me go ahead, man. Get myself together. Finna hop in traffic, man. I'm finna hit everywhere I can, man, with it on, man. I want these folks to see it, man, because I need that support, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm outside with the brand on today, man. So, I'm gonna go make this shipment. And, yeah. Hit y'all in a minute. Yeah. Made up here this little old post office, man. About to ship these orders out, man. Hey, man, about to have you guys tracking numbers in a hot second, man. Gonna go in here and ship y'all out right now. Everybody. Once again, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you for real, for real. Go in here and get y'all shipped, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Bike. Just made them drop-offs, man. And, yeah, I'm trying to figure out now where I'm finna go, man. Because I gotta go somewhere, man. I need to be everywhere they say I ain't, man. You know what I'm saying? Because they need to see me with it on, man. They need to see me with it on. I need somebody to ask some questions. Like, man, where you get that right there at? Man, I went to belonation.creator-spring.com, you know what I'm saying? Got me some of that right there, man, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so, yeah. Y'all should do the same. Y'all should definitely do the same, man. Just got chopped. Man, beard, mustache on point. Smelling good. Yeah, man. I think I'm gonna go to Walmart. Everybody be in Walmart. I think I'm gonna go to Walmart. I need to find me some of these, and I need me some Starbucks, man. Gotta get that dragon fruit thing, man. Gotta get that dragon fruit. Matter of fact, man, I'm about to. I'm about to call my dog 7-8 Chevyboi, man. I ain't see where he at. He don't work weekends no more. See where he at, man. Nah, I gotta go and handle some things, so I have to call him when I get back. But yeah. Oh, let me see. I go somewhere else, man. I pick the camera back up, man. We're gonna go to a few places, man. I don't want to bore y'all. Really just want y'all to see, man, that drop out, man. Drop off. Now, what I gotta do is put in another order. I gotta put in another order for the hats, man. Yeah. He fucking had it ready. Nah. Put in another order for the hats, man. I'm gonna do that right now. Well, nah, I ain't gonna do it right now, but I'm gonna do it later on today. So I can restock, man, cause I'm getting low already. I ain't get a chance to post it. So yeah, let me do that. Ride around, need to find me something to eat though. Ride around for a second, man. Show my face in a few places, man, with it on. Then I'm gonna head on back to the crib. But now I gotta head. Man, I should've turned right there. I gotta head downtown, man. Me and baby having lunch today. Having lunch with baby today. So, yeah, boy. Got to get it popping. One time for the one time. In this rain, man. I say it's gonna get bad around here, man. The temperature is dropping. I don't know what's about to come of that, but it's supposed to get bad, man. So, let me go ahead and do what I gotta do, man, before we start doing what it gotta do. And I hit y'all, man, if something transpire. Yo, hey man, let me say something real quick. Why is it that if somebody say, or the news say, oh, you know, it's gonna rain today, it's probably gonna freeze, you know, it's gonna snow tomorrow, you know. Why do y'all like make that like it's not a natural thing? Like y'all real deal treating this like, well, I ain't gonna say y'all, but there's some people that's real deal treating this like it's the damn pandemic. Like the city just shut down. Bruh, it's Memphis. Like it's not gonna be what you think it is. And even if it is, I'm sure you got some in your refrigerator. Man, I just seen people buying cases and cases of water. Like cases and cases of water. Bruh, it's not that serious. It's not. I don't think it is anyway. And maybe it'll make a fool out of me. I don't know. But I don't think it's that serious, dog. Like, you buying cases of water. Like y'all literally done cleaned out this Walmart down. Like literally done cleaned these folks out. Bro, so what the fuck do you be buying when it ain't nothing going on? Nothing? Y'all just be sitting on y'all ass. Y'all don't have anything at y'all house? I mean, is it just me? Like, am I wrong? Like, y'all ain't got no supplies at y'all house. No water, no tissue, no paper towels, no food, no nothing. Y'all ain't got nothing at y'all house on a regular basis. Y'all just do this. Y'all just stock up on stuff when they say it's finna, like they say it's finna freeze. Bro, how long you think it's gonna freeze? I mean, let's just be for real. How long y'all think it's gonna freeze? Come on, man. Y'all gotta do better, dog. It ain't finna be what y'all thinking. I promise it ain't. Even if we go back to a water board act, to that water board mandate or whatever, boil your water and all that. Boil your water. I mean, it's okay. Which I don't think that's gonna happen, but y'all think so, then I guess. But anyway, man, on another note, I'm headed down here, man, so I can go and have some eat with Bay, man. So we in traffic with it, and I still got it on, man. You dig what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I'm out here with it, man. Promoting myself. I'm kind of glad there was a lot of people in Walmart, though, because everybody was looking like trying to read my shirt, you know what I'm saying? Trying to see what I had going on, you know? So I was really just smoothing and grooving through that thing, man, like, you know what I'm saying? Like silk jacket. Well, yeah, finna head down here, man. And I'll catch y'all in a minute. Again. Yeah, man, I had to run and get that good old Starbucks, man. That mango fruit. I mean, mango dragon fruit, man, with lemonade. Had to go and get that, man. Downtown now, though. Gonna pull up on baby, man, and see what it do. What it do, boo? Huh? What it do, boo? Yeah. This dumbass woman back here, man, she almost had 2 wrecks in the same intersection. What are you doing?